Hello there. In this video series, I am going to talk on sustainable systems. Episode 1, Sorting and Separation. What is sustainability? See the beautiful places in these pictures. You want to keep as they are. That is sustainability. Sustainability in simple terms meet your needs without compromising needs of future generations. See these pictures. You don't like these places, do you? That means there is a problem. So waste disposal is the major problem here in these places. Sustainability addresses social sustainability, environmental sustainability, economic sustainability. We need sustainable technologies to develop these systems. We all have our own roles. Solid waste disposal is one of the key issues and major problem today. What is sustainability related to this? Every single solid waste item has its own destination. For an example, this food waste item, one day it should become rich soil that is sustainable. Nothing on the road, nothing in the lake, nothing on the beach. Sorting of solid waste is a must from where it originates. You can see different bins here. Bins help you to sort and recycle your waste. Never plan to sort it out in a garbage dump. You can see here, this is a big no. Never plan to sort it out in this kind of garbage dump. Every waste item should go to a separate bin. You can see different bins here. Glass bottles and jars, that's the one bin. Plastic bins, food waste and combine, or metal and ceramic bins, paper, cardboard bins, and the latest addition, electronic waste. It might be 6 bins minimum, or it could be 10 bins, or in some places it can be 4-5 bins only. Every large organization must have a minimum of 6 bins for solid waste separation. Your contribution, government contribution, and private and public institutes all should contribute to develop a solid waste management system. Well, see, these are one category here. You can see all these glass items should go into the glass bin, and all used plastics should go to the plastic bins. And food waste, or we call biodegradable waste, those should go into this bin only, never mix with other items. Metal and ceramic should go to this bin only, and paper or cardboard, they should go to paper waste bin only. The electronic waste, or we call e-waste, these items should go to a separate bin. Well, what to do with your collected waste? It could be to your collection vehicle. Your own use might be one thing, and you can start a new business or a community project, or you can develop a new product. Well, we will be discussing all these things in the new incoming episodes. So that's all for the day on sustainable systems, the first episode. Thank you for watching.